Over many years, Perkins engines have built a deserved reputation for the reliability and dependability of their products. But even the best engineering will always need routine maintenance, and the rigours of the working environments our products inhabit mean that occasional damage and malfunction is inevitable. We know that we are judged by how quickly and efficiently we can deal with problems as they occur. So in order to continue to provide our customers with the best possible after-sales service, we have developed a sophisticated information technology tool called TIPSS, the Integrated Parts and Service System. TIPSS gives everyone involved in the parts and service chain access to the information previously contained in hundreds of manuals, parts books and service bulletins, and the combined experience of a multitude of highly skilled people. TIPSS harnesses the power of the Internet to allow diagnosis, repair, parts ordering and management to be integrated into one standardized system, which can be used by Perkins, our OEMs, distributors, and even service technicians in the field. In this reconstruction, we'll show you how TIPSS would work in a typical real-world scenario. Let's imagine that a Perkins-equipped generator, in this case a 2800 series engine, develops a fault which prevents it from working normally. Once the technician has made some basic checks and has decided that the fault is not something that he can fix himself, his next course of action is to make a call to the customer support center. This sets in train a series of events that will ensure the engine is working again as quickly as possible. TIPSS provides the support center operator with a vast range of information and knowledge. TIPSS will guide the operator through a series of questions, and by feeding the answers into the system, it can help diagnose the likely cause of a mechanical or electrical problem. Each time TIPSS is given the answer to a question, the system narrows the range of possible faults until a high degree of confidence in the diagnosis is reached. TIPSS has diagnosed that the fault of the problem is almost certainly a faulty air intake manifold sensor. In this case, it's possible for the technician himself to verify that TIPSS has correctly identified the problem. With confirmation from the technician that the manifold sensor is faulty, the support center operator then uses TIPSS to identify the parts required for the repair and determine their availability. A request is sent for the parts that TIPSS has identified to the nearest Perkins distributor. The distributor picks the parts from the stores and ensures they're ready for collection, along with any relevant paperwork. A local Perkins service agent is supplied with details of the job with a report from the TIPSS system. The service agent heads immediately to the distributor to pick up the parts and then on to repair the generator. This integration using TIPSS for fault diagnosis, parts and service ordering is a huge leap forward in the efficiency of our after-sales operations. When the service agent arrives on site, his first action is to confirm that the support center diagnosis is accurate and complete. By using his standalone version of TIPSS on a laptop computer, he can connect directly to the engine and perform a more detailed diagnosis. Engine status and other operational parameters are checked, as well as service history. If necessary, the service agent can also schedule a visit for the next routine engine service interval. Again, all from within TIPSS. TIPSS is an extremely powerful tool for use on site. If the original TIPSS diagnosis has been incomplete and another fault was also present, the service agent would be able to identify the problem immediately by using his laptop version of TIPSS. He would also be able to select and identify any additional parts required. With the repair completed, the service agent prints out a customer report for the job, which is automatically created within TIPSS. A complete log of the work and any user feedback can also be uploaded to the Perkins website once the user is online. This data adds to the pool of valuable information that Perkins holds about individual engines and also enables the continuous improvement of the TIPSS package. TIPSS is unique to Perkins. It will allow us and our partners to deliver a significantly improved after-sales service. The integration of diagnostics, parts management and ordering, routine servicing, technical information and expert knowledge will ensure that Perkins-equipped products spend more of their time doing what they do best, working hard for their owners.